Hi there! Climb on board, guys, and step on up. I'm about to show you a tool that you've never seen before that can do something for you that no other tool can do. LOADpro dynamic voltmeter leads allow you to instantly load a circuit to see if current can flow simply by pushing this little button. To start, remove the wires that came with your digital meter and permanently install the LOADpro leads in their place. LOADpro is the first and only circuit diagnostic tool that works with your digital meter. And yes, they're special, but they're not a special tool. Turn the meter to volts, and you're ready to go. Aren't you tired of those embarrassing two-day jobs that end up being a green switch terminal? Don't you just hate those long and lonely trips to and from the parts counter for what turns out to be a corroded ground connection? Here, let me show you how they work. This is a Cummins ISX ECM power connector. Put both the red and black LOADpro probes into the connector because this tests 100% of the entire circuit loop, positive and negative, all the way back to the battery. This system voltage reading means the circuit can't be open or shorted to the ground. If the circuit was open, you'd see this. Ghost voltage, where the reading jumps all over the place. If the circuit was shorted to the ground, you'd see this. True zero voltage. Now, just push this cute little LOADpro button. At this point, guys, there are two ways this can go. If the voltage doesn't drop, then yee-haw, the wire isn't damaged, and you don't have to chase wires. The reading that really makes you money, though, is when the voltage drops. And LOADpro makes them insanely simple. Watch this. We'll remove the fuse from the ECM circuit and instead use this guy's thumb to complete the circuit. You still read 12 volts. What the? But don't let this confuse you. Push the LOADpro button now and watch the voltage drop, just like I promised. This is the reading that will change the way you diagnose. This is high resistance at its worst, and no other tool can safely see this problem this fast. In case you want to see it again, here's the same test with a 500 ohm resistance. Now, if you do see a drop in voltage, get out your pocket knife and scrape off enough paint or rust to make sure you have a clean ground. When you're done, put the black probe there and retest. If the voltage drops again, the resistance is in the positive. If not, the fault is in the ground. Now, with the LOADpro leads, you find all three of the wire faults with one test. Opens, shorts to ground, and now high resistance. Another mechanic-friendly feature LOADpro uniquely offers is the steady pin tip. Instead of a sharp tip that's impossible to hold steady on a connector, our tip will sit tight. Some of you sillies think you already have a tool that can do all of this. But sugar? Think again. Only LOADpro leads are mechanic designed and patented, and capable of performing an immediate voltage drop test every time you read voltage, just like those little manufacturer guys want you to. LOADpro leads from Electronic Specialties. Not just a better way to diagnose, it's the right way to diagnose. But you know that now.